Good morning, class. Good morning, third graders. Today I'm going to introduce you to geometric shapes. Before we get started, let's take a minute to look at the purpose of this lesson and the Iowa core we are following. Our learning goal is to understand how to categorize different geometric shapes. The purpose of this lesson is to understand polygons and the 3 rules of polygons. The Iowa Core Math Standard 3GA1 is understand that shapes in different categories may share attributes and that the shared attributes can define a larger category. To begin, you will need to know what a polygon is, and a polygon is a shape. Please make sure to copy this into your notebook to refer back to for later lessons. It is important to remember that not all shapes are polygons. To help us figure out what is considered a polygon and what isn't, you will need to follow the 3 rules. At the top of your paper, write 3 rules of polygons. Now, the first rule of polygons is that they are all closed shapes. A good example of this is a square, because it has 4 sides and they all close at all the corners. A bad example would be this is a bad example because right there they do not meet to make a closed triangle. The second rule of polygons is all polygons have straight sides. A good example of this would be a triangle. All 3 sides are straight. Something that is not a polygon because of this rule would be a circle. A circle has no straight sides, therefore making it not a polygon. The last and final rule of polygons is that the sides have to meet in corners, making angles. A good example of this would be a trapezoid. In all of these areas, they meet at angles. If this doesn't make sense to you, in other words, it also means that 2 lines connect. So the top line and the side lines meeting in that area. Now that we have finished, you may go back and rewatch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you, and happy learning, everybody!